Hi guys, I attended an event, a coronation event, and what I saw there was business. I saw a business opportunity because all the shares that were used were rented from one company, and also the tents, the canopies, and I started thinking, especially this festive season, you see people making a lot of money. These companies that give out these shares, canopies, and other things for rent. So canopies and shares rental business is one business that if you step in with 1 million, 2 million naira, 3 million, 4 million, depending on your capital, you are going to smile to the bank every weekend. You are sure of releasing your canopies, your tent, your shares out for a good return. Now you are to buy once and then you keep renting and you make good money. Now first step you should consider is to register the business. You should register the business because every business in Nigeria now, registration is required. So you get a business registered and then figure out the types of shares that you are to buy that will be durable and affordable. Durable and affordable, so that you will not spend all your money on few number of shares. Now as a beginner, you may not have those classy ones, but go for the ones that are durable, a little bit beautiful and affordable. When you get the shares, there are places in every city in Nigeria that you can actually construct your own tents and your own canopies, and it's very affordable. Especially in Port Harcourt along Aba Road, you can find them close to oil mill. They are there sewing the canopies and constructing everything. So you just approach them. Don't buy the already made. Approach these people and give them your own unique design and color combination. This is one beautiful secret that it will help your business to blossom. Now, another thing that you should incorporate is in this business is this decoration and designs. You must acquire those things that you use in decorating the shares, decorating tables, decorating the canopies and the tent, so that when somebody steps in, that wowness will be there. That is how you make money in this business. The next thing is not for you not to be ashamed of your business. Advertise your business personally on social media. Just explore different means of adverts in order to make people know your business, because the more people know, the more customers you have. And the last thing I want to share with you is the renting price. Yeah, at least it should be affordable. It shouldn't be too expensive. Now, one thing you should know about this business is that the cost of renting an event hall is very high. So if you can present an affordable price, your tent is beautiful and affordable, definitely people will switch from an event halls to these your tents that are big, spacious, ventilated, and there are also a level that even inside the tent you can connect your ACs to make the place cool and comfortable, very conducive. So whatever event they want to do is very conducive. So you render your services in classes or in levels. So if you just want to rent tents and shares without decoration, so price. If you are renting tent and shares or canopies and shares with decoration, this is the price. If you are renting canopies, tables, and this is the price. So you arrange like that, and when they come, you present it to them and you make good money. I just decided to share with you this business idea in this 2025. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.